Good morning. I have already put on most of my face, and I know that I have already gone through almost all of the colors of the Glimmer Quad. Um, I'm going to be doing the very last one possibly on Saturday because it is the blacks and the grays, and I don't want it to be too dark for when I have to log on for work. So today I'm just going to redo one of the ones I've done before and see how that goes. I've already put on some foundation, a little bit of powder, put some of the eyebrow. And for the lips, today I outlined in the Avon True Glimmersticks and Pomegranate. And if you are really into the Glimmersticks, into the liners, lip liners, eyeliners, and the brow liners of Glimmersticks, there are a few colors that they are going to be discontinuing. Pomegranate is going to be one of them that they discontinue, so I'm probably going to buy several of these. They are supposed to come out with new colors or new and improved colors that will replace these eventually, probably at the end of the year. So if, like, I use the chocolate eyeliner a lot all the time, and I love the pomegranate, so I'm gonna stock up on these. So if there's certain colors that you use, ask me and I will let you know if it's on the discontinued list, so you can at least stock up on yours until the new ones come out. So today I did use the pomegranate liner instead of the liner that comes with this. I just wanted to test it out and see how it works. So I am also in love with the 2-in-1 lip tattoo. And today I used, I think this one is pink, Inked Rose. Has a little bit of pink color in it. And for today's Glimmer Quad, which I have already done this one, but maybe it'll come out different or a little darker. I'm not sure. We'll find out. So this one is the Temptress. This one is the one that is, apologize, there goes my robot vacuum. It's going to make a lot of noise here in a minute. So let's just look at the colors and I'm going to get started while it makes that noise. Aren't they pretty? So my robot over there, it self-empties into a bin, in case you were wondering. It's a shark robot, and I just let it do its thing because you know what? I don't always have time to vacuum, and I am very happy, and I do not regret it at all. It is expensive. At least it was for me. I think it's I think they're $300, $400, $500. I don't know. But, you know, I set it on a timer every day, and it this one is activated on your phone, so you can tell it what rooms you want it to go in, what rooms you don't want it to go in. You know, even though it goes on the schedule, if you need like an in-between, you can actually do it from your phone. So maybe you don't even have to be at home. You just hit start and it'll do it on its own.